We just turned a $75,000 renovation into a $1 million sale. That's right. At 225th Pah Road, Epsom, we made it happen. With a vision of renovating to sell, we seized the chance to transform this couple's home into a market standout.
Okay, in the kitchen area, we're going to remove that piece here, all the way down, cutting it here. So that all be gone. It's a truss roof going that way, so it looks very solid. We're going to remove all the kitchen out and put a brand new kitchen, a bit of an L shape going this way, and potentially an island. This bedroom also have wallpaper, and we're going to put 2 downlights, paint, new carpet, paint the door.
Funding their much anticipated retirement.
Fantastic job. I'm totally happy, absolutely happy, right? We are.
Of course.
All of us.
Absolutely.
All 4 of us,
Absolutely.
yeah.
We revitalized every corner with precision and passion. Modern elegance now flows through the entire home. From the sleek kitchen island to the contemporary bathroom vanity and sparkling new tiles, every detail was crafted to exude sophistication and style. In just 6 weeks, on a fixed budget of $75,000, we transformed this property into a stunning, desirable home. The anticipation at the auction was electric, and the results were astonishing. The final sale price, a staggering $1,032,000, far surpassing the initial market appraisal of $850,000. Our strategic renovation and presentation delivered exceptional returns for the vendors.
James has been one of the most practical, common sense, full of information person, and we feel that we've totally done the right thing. We just don't feel that we made any mistakes. It's actually improved the whole place so much that we wouldn't have actually been able to come up with those ideas ourselves.
Thinking about adding value to your property, this case study showcases the power of strategy. Discover how you can achieve similar results. Contact us today at the Renovation Team.